Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to increase the dedicated video memory VRAM in Windows 10 or 11 for Intel, AMD or other manufacturer of graphic card. So VRAM is basically provided by the manufacturer and is used for increase the FPS and the system performance on Windows 11 or 10. In this video, I will show you how to increase it step by step. First of all, you need to identify its manufacturer and the video VRAM is dedicated to your system. Just right click on your desktop and look for display setting, whether Windows 10 or 11. Now look for advanced display, this option, and you can see here internal display. Just click on that option and you should be able to get this option here. So I'm using here the Intel USD graphic properties and total available graphic memory is 8162, but dedicated video memory is 128 MB. How we can increase it? Let's open the device manager also to reconfirm that the same graphic card we are using here. This is the video graphic, this option, and you can see Intel ESD. So we are confirmed now we are using this graphic card. First of all, you need to open the registry editor as administrator. And once you open the registry editor, you need to go to this path, computer HQ local machine software, and then your manufacturer of graphic card. HQ local machine, first is computer HQ local machine, then look for the software, this option, and now look for your graphic card. In my case, it should be Intel. Click anywhere on it and press I on your keyboard, and you can see I got the Intel one. If you are using the other manufacturer, AMD or other, you can accordingly look for here. Now what you need to do is we need to create the one folder here called GMM. How to create it? Just make a right click on this Intel, then new and key, and type a GMM. All should be capital here, like so. GM. Now you need to type this dedicated segment size. Starting letters are capital D, S and size. How to create it? Click this option GMM and make a right click, new and D word 32 bit value, and type for dedicated segment. S should be capital and S size, and make sure to type this spelling correctly, otherwise it will not work. Dedicated segment and size, and now you need to change its value according to your physical memory install on your system. Simply open the system information from here and look for your this option, install physical memory. In my case it is 16 GB, but in your case it could be 4, 8, 32 or more than that. But I have made a chart for you. You can simply identify by this way. If you are using 1 GB of RAM, 128 MB, you need to enter. But if you are using the 2 GB, then this option 4 GB is 500, and you can take a screenshot of that. And in my case, I am using 16 GB. So I need to put your value 2048. And if you are using 8 GB, 2048 you need to enter simply here. Basically I need to calculate it now. Since this is a manual mistake, we need to basically multiply this. So 8 GB is 2048 2048 plus 2048, and it should be 4096 4096, like this. We need to basically multiply it by this into. Now I need to change it 4096. Now let's change it in a registry editor. Here is a registry editor. Right click, modify, and you need to paste this value here, 4096 4096. Hexadecimal automatic selected. Just click on OK. And now you need to reboot your laptop or system. Make a restart your system to take the changes, and after that you should able to get the maximum graphic memory on your system. And if this option is not working for you, make sure you follow the steps and also update your graphic card from manufacturer website. So this is the video guys, and I hope your issue or your VRAM is increased on your system. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.